Are you looking for the most effective way to clean your carpets, stairs and upholstery? Then the BISSELL PowerWash Premier Upright Carpet Cleaner is the best choice for you. Vacuuming removes dry dirt and debris mostly from the surface of carpet. Deep cleaning removes the embedded dirt and soils that vacuums leave behind, leaving carpets up to 10 times cleaner than vacuuming alone. Plus, it also washes away embedded stains, odors and allergens, helping to keep your carpets looking newer, smelling fresher and lasting longer. The PowerWash Deluxe is easy to use. It includes tank-in-tank technology to keep clean and dirty water separate in one easy-to-fill and empty tank. Remember, BISSELL has just the right cleaning solution for your lifestyle and cleaning needs. Choose from our Wash and Refresh range for powerful cleaning and refreshing scents. Have more specific cleaning needs? No worries, the Wash and Protect range is designed just for you. From everyday dirt to difficult pet messes or extra tough stains and odors, we've got you covered. You'll also get protection against future stains with Scotchgard Protector, exclusively in all Wash and Protect cleaning solutions. The BISSELL PowerWash Premier features patented Heatwave Technology, which provides constant heat to help maintain the water temperature while you clean. With other great features like dual brushes with 12 rows of rotating DirtLifter PowerBrushes to clean deep down into carpet fibers and strong suction power to lift away embedded dirt and stains, your carpets will look better, smell fresher and last longer. You can really see the difference a deeper clean makes. The PowerWash Premier has the CleanShot, which targets concentrated solution directly onto the stain. And with powerful surround suction to aid in drying time, no area of the house is off limits for long. The PowerWash Premier includes a long 2.7 meter onboard hose, turbo brush tool, tough stain tool, and spraying crevice tool to clean up spots, spills and stains on carpets, stairs, upholstery and hard-to-reach areas. And above floor cleaning is now even easier with PowerWash Premier's Auto Divert technology. When the machine is in the upright position, spray and suction automatically diverts directly to the hose. Then simply recline the handle and spray and suction is automatically diverted back to the foot for floor cleaning. PowerWash Premier also features Microban antibacterial product protection built into key components to prevent the growth of odor-causing bacteria, keeping it cleaner and fresher between uses. As the world's #1 brand in deep cleaning appliances, you can trust in our brand and feel confident with our product. We also back it up with a 5-year limited guarantee. The BISSELL PowerWash Premier is a powerful, advanced deep cleaning system built to remove stains, odors and allergens so you can live life freely and count on a deeper clean every time.